scar in the middle. Never noticed how much I look like you. I was making all riddles, how I always wanted to look like you. But I do, I look like you. Oh, I do, I look like you.
Yo, good morning. Second day namin dito sa Belfast. Hindi na ako nakapag-record kagabi, nalasing ako eh. Ang trip namin ngayong araw is city tour ng Belfast. So kasama namin si La Mama na tsaka si Anthony. Ito yung ginamit naming city tours, Allen's. Wow. Titanic. Boarding na kami sa tour bus. Start boarding. Hello po.
Saan kayo?
England pa po galing. Watford.
Watford. Malapit sa
Lapit lang.
Warner Brothers.
Yes.
Universal.
Here you go.
Planet. I'm sure you've been to...
Ano ko, hindi pa po. Hindi pa po. Napakahirap po mag-book ng tickets.
Ano?
Opo, laging full. May mga nakasabay kaming Pilipino dito sa Belfast Tours. Careful. There you go. Sip. So our first stop sa ating Belfast tour ay Castle. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Hindi ko maintindihan yung ano namin, tour guide. Itong castle na to dito sa Belfast is long standing since 1177, sabi niya. Ayan, no? Imagine 1177. Look at that castle. Look at that. Stop. Hi. We take pictures. Uy, ba talaga ang ganda kapag nasa dagat ka sa seaside. Kaka-relax. Ayan, medyo mas close up na look dito sa 11th century na Castillo. Grabe, oh. Imagine hanggang ngayon nakatayo pa to. Tingnan natin yung ano niya, manuscript. Baka may nakalagay. May mga nakadock din na bangka. Boats definitely used for fishing. Kasi parang seaport to eh. Ayun, ganda rin ng tubig dito eh. Ito only. Ito yung entrance ng castle. Woo! tubig dito yun. Ayan, ang ganda ng tubig. Yung mga nakatak na mga bangka. Ganda, ganda dito. Nakakatawa. Sarap maging turista. Yung mga mini boats ng ating mga kaibigan. Yan yung mga mini boats nila, ang gaganda. Nakadock. Meron na kaming 20-minute stop dito, so pabalik na kami sa tour bus ulit. Next stop ulit, next stop. Meron tayong Game of Thrones na trivia, sabi ng tour guide. So meron siyang hihintuan na pinagshootingan ng Game of
What I'm
Thrones.
showing you here, my friend, is, believe it or not, this is wall. Remember the wall? That's the wall from the Night's Watch.
Oh, that's so cool, man. That is the wall from the Night's Watch.
Impressed you? I'm sure. Now, if there's anyone on board the bus who has never seen the series and hasn't a clue what we're talking about, well, then I'm afraid you know nothing, Jon Snow. Okay, you will see it again from a different angle when we go round about another 2 or 3 bends.
Meron kaming saglit na toilet stop. Layo din pala na itong tour na to. Grabe rin yung pinuntahan namin. Ganda. Sobrang countryside na to. Puro bundok na yung nasa paligid namin. Pero andito pa rin kami sa Belfast. Toilet break lang. Mamaya maganda yung mga pupuntahan namin kasi may mga pupuntahan kaming pinagshootingan ng Game of Thrones. So isa yun sa mga rason kaya pinuntahan namin tong tour na to. So mamaya makikita natin. Ayun, puro bundok. Puro bundok. Nabot na ng mulan na naman. Pero okay lang. Lagi naman umuulan dito. Grabe, ang ganda. Ito mo appreciate yung linis ng countryside talaga. Tsaka yung greenery. Tapos na nag-toilet yung mga kasama ko sa bus tour. So, pabalik na kami lahat. I think so. The owners can remember if they own them. That's the sheep. Ito yung aming next stop. Ito bridge. Ito siya, oh. Grabe, stunning views. Ganda. Kaboom. Next stop, lunch stop. Tanghalian muna. So dito kami magla-lunch sa The Hedges. It's a Game of Thrones.
Kuya, can you have this please? Just one scoop.
It's okay. Rice chips.
Oh no, just rice please. Just a bit. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. A bit of pasta. Just a bit.
No, sir. Not near. Please.
Chips.
Not near.
And this on the side.
Yeah.
And noodles. Yeah. Thank you.
Tulip beer.
I have to. Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you.
I'll go with the barbecue.
Anything else? Chicken.
Yeah.
Sausage. Bread.
I'll go with the sausage.
Sausage.
Looks good, by the way.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you want any curry sauce?
No, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Thank you. Ating food. Come on.
Ako na magbayad.
Ikaw na?
Oo, ako na yung
Ito, dito.
ako na magbayad. Para doon na kayo sa lamis. 4.
Ating buffet for today.
Ano drinks nyo?
For 4Ks, any drinks for you?
Coke Zero side. Do you have Coke Zero?
Coke Zero,
Yeah,
just the one.
just one.
No worries.
Do you want Coke Zero?
Together with this.
No.
What?
Yeah, it's alright. Coke?
No, just one for me.
Just one Coke Zero. Is that all for drinks then?
You have tap water here, right?
Tap water, yeah.
I'll grab 4 of it. I'll take the table first, right?
Do you want a pint?
Would you like one?
No, do you want one?
Yeah, we could go for
What do
one.
you want? Do you want a pint of Guinness?
Let's go with the Guinness then, yeah.
I don't know what they get.
Yeah, I'll get one with the Guinness. Yeah.
Hey, stand up and say, stand up and say. Look to me, guys, look to me. Hold up, push it. Hold up. There's a guy taking a picture of you too. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Oh, man.
He recognised you're famous, he says.
This is so cool. Wait for mom. Yun, food trip muna tayo. Tom Jones na. Tom Jones. Food trip muna kami. You can buy buy gifts in there.
It's buying gifts.
Yeah, Mari, come on. So on the way na kami sa Dark Hedges.
But
Or-
it doesn't look dark.
It does.
Doesn't even look
Ito actually yung ginamit na daan sa Game of Thrones,
Yeah, bright light. I
King's
see
Road.
bright. I see bright.
Kung fan kayo ng Game of Thrones. So, dito sinut yun.
Dark?
Puntahan namin.
I heard it say dark when it's not dark. It's dark still when it's dark.
Oo. Ito na. Dark Hedges.
That looks like a forest.
So, ito yung
Dark is bright.
film location ng King's Road sa Game of Thrones. They call it Dark Hedges dito. So, tourist spot. Masyado pa palang premature yung pag-announce ko kanina. Hindi pa pala yun. Ito pa lang. Yan. Ito yung King's Road sa Game of Thrones. Kung familiar kayo. So ito yung film location noon. Stig, no? Kakatuwa. Imagine marating namin to. So from sa galing dun sa Hedges Hotel sa may buffet, may mga 10 minutes na lakad siguro. Pero okay lang, ito na siya. D.I. Where's mom? There you go, you stay with mom. Our next stop. No, I don't think so. Ito, next stop, ito. Pagawa ng alak. The Old Bushmills Distillery. Lumang pagawaan ng alak na hanggang ngayon active pa sa paggawa ng alak, whiskey. I think. This is where they make the beer. That's cute. Look. What is that? It's like a home.
Look, Baba stands for there.
That view is not too bad. Yeah?
Yeah.
So ito na yung last stop ng tour namin, Giant's Causeway. So ang kwentong matanda or folklore, yung mga bato daw na to ay tinapaktapakan ng mga higante nung araw. Tignan natin. Kaya nagbitak-bitak. Malalaking bitak-bitak. Grabe yung views, oh. Breathtaking views. Tay banda. Ang ganda pala dito. Sulit ang pagpunta dito sa picture ko na. Oh, grabe. Napakaganda. Ayan o, grabe. So sa mga nagbabalak or may mga planong pumunta ng Belfast, ito siguro yung pinakamagandang stop. Para sa akin, ito yung pinakamagandang stop. Grabe, napakaganda. Sulit yung ibabayad nyo sa bus tour or kung meron naman kayo dalang sasakyan. Basta puntahan nyo tong Giant's Causeway. Ako, napakaganda. Oh my God, this is breathtaking.
Mom, look, there's a bus.
Yeah.
But it's not silver, so that is not.
Dito today, maganda rin ang view. So yan, merong bus service dito, no, 477. Kung ayaw mong mag-hike, pwede kang mag-bus, £1. Kasi syempre may mga matatanda rin na turista eh. So hindi na kaya mag-hike. Pero napakasarap lakarin. Ay, grabing view. Kainaman. Grabing ganda, no? Sa pelikula ko lang nakikimpo. Tayo naman nagchochongki pa, oh. Nami mo? May sumisindi pa ang puta. May chongki. Ganda, oh. Sa pelikula ko lang nakikita to, oh. Grabe, ito talaga ang highlight ng trip natin. Itong Giant's Causeway. Did you know? In folklore, they said that's why the rocks in there are so big and all of them are destroyed apart. It's because giants stepped on them.
That's the meat.
Yeah, that's the folklore. Look at those rocks. Look.
Yeah, but from Scotland, it's the Loch Ness.
The Loch Ness Monster. Yeah, that's from Scotland.
But that was
She's called Nessie.
Nessie.
Yeah. So pwede ka rin mag-hike doon. Ayun, oh, tingnan mo.
Look, Nessie.
Alam ko na kung anong meron dito.
Ano?
Bato-bato.
Oo nga, yung malalaking bitak-bitak na tinapak-tapakan doon ng mga higante.
Dad, wait.
Oh, go wear it. Iba pa pala itong ano. Dito sa kabilang view, ayan, mas maganda pala dito. Happy, oh. Man, oh man, napakaganda. Grabe. Yung mga bato. Pitak-pitak. Ayo, with mo siya, right? Pitak-pitak na mga bato. Ayan o. Giant's Causeway. Smile ka muna. Yun, so yan na nagtatapos ang aming Belfast day trip or tour. So inabot din ng 30 minutes na lakad papunta, 30 minutes na hike pabalik. Sakto lang. Ay, worth it yung hingal. Kasi may packet eh, pabalik. Pero papunta naman, pababa. So nakakatuwa, again, worth it. Subukan nyo, pumunta kayo.